Good day guys, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to fix VAN9003 Valorant Windows 11. So it's pretty much an error on Valorant. So guys, you just need to find your Valorant. So I don't have the game installed, but it doesn't really matter. You can do this easily. So for example, I have this Shadow of the Tomb Raider game. And what you have to do, guys, just find your executable or a desktop shortcut, for example, you have saved on desktop, and just navigate to the location of your game, or you can just do it with a shortcut. And in here, as you can see, I have this shortcut, launch Shadow of the Tomb Raider, and in your case is going to be a Valorant. So you just click on the executable, right click, then go to properties, then in here you go to compatibility, and then you just enable the compatibility mode, all right? And also you click run this app as administrator. Then you press on apply, okay, and exit out of here. And also guys, another fix that people are saying also helps is that you just need to go to your BIOS and enable the UEFI BIOS, alright? So this is a mode at which your system works in your BIOS. So just, enable that. If you have a different mode, not UEFI, just let us know and maybe we'll make a tutorial on how to enter the BIOS and enable that UEFI setting. But pretty much for this video, this is it. Hopefully you fix your Valorant issue like this. If this helped you out, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.